So you see when me tell the promoter say, I want X amount, and the promoter give me X amount, my intention when me left my yard to go there is to collect X amount and come my yard. Anything I get after that is brata. Anything I get after that is brata. So when the brata come, people in the party enjoy themselves, and if a girl look good, it's all the money. Ask every peanut man at every party in a Jamaica. Any party in a Jamaica. Any man who used to sell peanut. Any woman who used to sell cigarette. Anybody who used to sweep up one club or clean one club. Ask any of them. Ask the security them. Ask the security them at any party or any event. When Triple X come work at one party, everybody get at least a 2 grand in them pocket for God them yard. From money pull up run, everybody will work at the event at work, get at least 2,000 Jamaican dollar out of my pull up. For God them yard. Everybody will work at the event. Ask any buckle service girl, any girl who do buckle service. Ask any girl who do buckle service in a Jamaica. Any flyer with them see Triple X dep on a work and they come work, them are left with them buckle service money, plus them are left with tip. Because Triple X call them out and send them to the spender them in the party, and the spender them have to give them tip. So when people talk about things about how Triple X love money and him this and him that, and him love man and rare. Number one, people I swear to God, as God live it, Father God up above, I don't know no chopper. I don't know no chopper. At least I don't know them name. Man might point them out to me in a dance and say, oh, him a banger, him a this or him a that. I don't know no chopper by name. I don't know none of them by name. So you see when I book for your event and I play for your event, me no mark register. Ask any blood clot body. Ask anybody, the people who go event when me work. Type this for me, man. Type this for me, man, and tell the people, man. You see? If you want to know my booking information on my page, you can link my booking agent. You see? So when you talk and say, people them type, you never ever hear me in a party, I big up no chopper. 90% of the time when I book for a party, I don't even know who the promoter is. 90% of the time when you book me for a party, I don't even know who the promoter is. My roadie, I him deal with the promoter. Get the promoter name, get the promoter send him the deposit, get the location, get the time of a reach. We reach at the event, him go to the promoter, collect me, wait him again, my rider, and we set so boom, and we start work. When we done work, if we collect from before, we collect from before, collect after, we collect after. You see? I'm set so boom and work. When it mean a party, me not even know the promoter name for big up all the promoter. Me not big up people. I don't do big up. Any selector where you see here love start about big up the man, big up the man, big up the man is a lazy selector, and this is something that I have in my head. Any man will love big up is a lazy. You see, if you book me for a birthday party, and you book me for entertaining, you tell me say, all right, boom, your birthday, and you want this to be done and that, and you book me at your birthday, so here what me I go do. Me I go lean for entertaining based on you, make you feel good because your birthday, you spend your money, you're supposed to feel good because of your event and of your birthday. But if you book me for a normal dance, don't expect me for your call and name every minute and a big you up. Because the people them spend their money come in at the venue and buy them liquor to enjoy themselves. Them not come here. If you come here and name call 50,000 times. I come here to entertain. That's why you book me. If you don't like a selector with chat too much, do not book me. It's simple as that. A big spit a fly and a good spit too. Because mouth smell good. Ha! If you do like a selector with chat too much at your event, do not book me. It is simple as that. Don't book me. For your safety and for your peace of mind, do not book me. Zin, if you book a party and 50,000 man a day, do not book me. Don't book me. Somebody said last night, me hear more chatting than music. Then why the fuck you up on the live? Then why never go your bed? Why never turn on the radio? You don't have cable yard, you don't have MTV, you don't have YouTube. Eh? You were not at the event, but you're complaining about the event. The people who were at the event to enjoy themselves, enjoy themselves. The only people where me see, that is what me see, I don't know about anything. The only people them when me see opposed to them never enjoy themselves are some of the persons who were there who never get no recognition. And them alone are complain because nobody no see them and nobody no know them and a girl never frightened for them. Everybody else come, they come enjoy themselves. If you don't notice, I want to see the clippings, you know, see every TikToker dance with girl. Every TikToker enjoy themselves. Every man they are all our vibes. The people them there, them here that them miserable blood clot. First of all, how you enjoy a party pan a life when you're fun dirty. You're there, you're asleep in your frozen bed full of chink. Chink a crutch. Every watch your life, you have to focus for crutch off, chink them off of you. And your bed could think of piss and smell like bombard goat bed. And then you expect to enjoy your life and enjoy one party. And you can barely enjoy your house you're living in. No found upon the life or watch your life. Hungry killing a blood clot. First of all, no found upon the life and it a itch because the neighbor Wi-Fi. And when you're in your room, you can't get the Wi-Fi, you have to go up on your veranda. And because of hours of morning, you couldn't go up on your veranda. If you go catch your neighbor Wi-Fi, forget for watch your life, so your life could have run straight. So you couldn't enjoy the party upon your life. Eh? No found have blood clot jaundice. Can't be a bombard sugar, water, and syrup on a drink on the yard. So when you eye them and scratch, you know, so you can't focus, but the bright light affect the visual acuity. So when you watch it, yeah, it hurt your eye and it hurt your head. So you get migraine. So when you watch the phone screen for too long, you feel a little tingling sensation. So you can't get to enjoy the party. Because of the jaundice you have. So much or not too much rat out there on the yard. So someone have leptospirosis, and leptospirosis give you giant pain. So because you know knee on the hip on the back of earth, you know, only if you enjoy the party upon the life. Zane, me no need only if you tell me say you not enjoy. Remember say me in at the club. And me see the crowd in front of me and everybody a dance and I enjoy themselves. Man a wine pan girl. The man them turn up on a anchor for people NSC. Them not gonna enjoy themselves because I never play a bag of man song. I never play a chopping song. I never play a gun song. I play be a whining song and be a souls. I play from early and like a soca and them thing there. And house music and hip hop. And them I play. I never play no song for get no money. I play a song for the people them enjoy themselves because a party that a lot of females were invited. But there was a lot of men in the peripheral that were there anchoring for liquor. So if you come there to come anchor for liquor and you see be a girl a wine and enjoy themselves and none of the girl them now pay you no mind because you itch up around 40 man and the liquor done pan you, one bottle of Hennessy and 14 out of the day drink the one bottle of Hennessy. So now drink the Hennessy like blood clot communion. All you want a 2 piece of bread to signify the flesh of the Lord. To take the communion out of the Hennessy when I drink. Oh, you go enjoy yourself. Can a girl now look by you because them know say no broke on 90% on don't want to wash off a bleaching cream off on the skin because I try to maintain a complexion and the ugly tattoo them on the hand, them not show good in time on the beard. So you have to keep them there. So the girl them now compare in the mind. So you go cuss and say the party boring. Because on a bad mind, can look down in the party and the people when enjoy themselves and then one girl come to when you call to the girl them now look on you. Can have nothing for offer. Can reputation spoil. You not blame me so because no girl no come wine pound. And because no girl no come up in the section, you turn up with 40 man. 40 man turn up here so. I look down upon people like on a blood clot somebody. I don't want the girl them to left from downstairs to come upstairs to come. Who are uno? Who are uno? Who are uno? You come at the party. You have a little idiot selector boy. I don't even want to call him name to give him forward. Him have a life. By the time he come out of the club, we get the screen recording. The man dep on live in the club and the man cuss me the whole time in dep on the live cuss me now. You know what about him there? Him coming to the club with 5 man. 5 man him coming to the club with. Them there to my right over in one of the boot them. They never pay for the boot because free them come in because them a selector. They never pay for the boot. So not because they never have the money, them broke like that, hungry kill them. Them come to the free boot. 5 of them come in there. 5 of them come in at the free boot. You understand? I don't see them with a buckler, I don't see them a drink nothing at the party. All him come in, put on the towel upon him head, and have the phone and video all time and chat me. All night him a chat me. All night him a chat me the whole night. Everything. Him start the music, him a chat me. Me get the screen recording them. And him a narrate the dance and I talk about ray and one bag of thing. You over in one section. You saw part him there, suspense and fear. Though the artist name suspense, she and fear friend them over in the same section, but she and fear friend them a wine. Me see one of female virgin go try wine for suspense sister. And the girl said, and shoot him off. Me a beg female say, mama, give me some of the son, man. Give me a wine, man. Me a beg for the man at the club, say, some of the son. Give me a wine, auntie. Some of the son. See? And the girl skin up her face until the girl let up, sit down and stop dance. So I said, and low it and start hold back a voice. So the girl them start enjoy themselves. You are 4 man coming in the club, I want to turn up. And all on the radio, I just turn up and turn up. So me I play a big girl song. How you go enjoy yourself if you don't wine with a girl? If you are not visually stimulating to a young lady, if you are not ocularly stimulating, if you cannot speak to a lady, or oratize yourself in a way that a female would be receptive to your advances. How is it that you feel like a female is going to want to enjoy our time with you? Me I play be a girl song, I'll soak me I play. Be a niceness I go on the club, girl them a wine and I enjoy themselves. Then you are gonna come and complain. Say me I chat too much in I dance. And I said this already. Me stop the party. Figure it. The party was advertised. Say 100,000 Jamaican dollar I give away to the best tickers, the best dressed tickers in the club. Zine, the best dressed tickers in the club. You understand? You know, so I play upon the whole tickers notion and them thing. Because publicity and a promotion, you know how I go. So the best dressed tickers in the club forget 100,000 Jamaican dollar. Why them people are admin? I don't know, no? Zine, the best dressed tickers in the club forget 100,000. So we set some boom and some woman are come down. Zane, some woman are come down. This stage, we have to call out some tickers. The fatty them are come down and mistake clearly. If you're under 160 pounds, do not come down here. This competition is for the tickers them alone. If you're under 160 pounds, do not come down here. If you do not eat your Sunday dinner with spoon, do not come down here. If you do not have a broad back, do not come down here. And if you do not look good, do not come down here. So the tickers them come down. Zane, somebody say, you chat too much, go for you. You not pay me, you not book me. So you see, if you have in-driver on your phone, order in-driver, ask your mother for your location, send the in-driver to the mother location, go in at the in-driver. When you reach your mother, show your head right up underneath her. Thank you very much. Now, as me say, for everybody with it, and I talk, and I say, me, in the club, I may talk too much. In the club, I may talk too much. How am I going to give away the 100,000 if I don't interact with the audience? If I don't get the ladies to participate because the ladies are shy. Because I don't know if you don't understand all the things that you see. This is something that I find very weird. I understand, say, a society cause this. If you make a lot of women who are full-figured women are shy. Them not so outgoing. Them not so outgoing. Seeing a lot of full-figured women, a lot of plus-size women are more shy. They are more reserved. You understand? So it will take a while for you to get enough women to engage in the interaction. You understand? It will take a while for you to get the woman. And first, you have to sweet them up and you have to interact with them in a way to get them to want to interact or want to participate. You understand me? I say, you have to talk to them like say, come the man, and they have to gauge them and boost them self-esteem, boost them ego, forget them to come. So we have to get the girl them. After we get to that, try to get 5 girls to compete for the 100,000. Because it took so long for the ladies to come, we just make every woman just sit and just show me emotion and tra-la-la-la-la. And then we just say the one that did the best, I'm not going to just give one person the 100,000. I'm going to make the 100,000 broke up between each individual. And after the broke up, we had to set and disperse or dispense the money to the females. And they went back to the party. Went back to the juggling and all our vibes. And that was totally entertaining. Even at the video where the person attacks and chat too much, the entire crowd was around us. The entire party was focused there. Everybody was, there was whole heap of witty banter. Everybody enjoy themselves. People are clap, people are real, people are enjoy themselves. But you see, because some persons, and I'm going to tell you this, not every selector is an entertainer. Enough man play music, you know, but them are not entertainer. Enough man play music, but they are not entertainer. You have some selector, them only good for warm up the party. I know that's the truth. When nobody know that, you play when the bar is set up, or when nobody know that. You have some selector, them can only play music on TikTok. Because them have them little 10 and them 20 views and them feel like them do something good, and them have a two little idiot girl we follow them, we are send them some roses and them sitting there, them feel like them are somebody. But to be an entertainer, when they're in our audience, and this is something I'm going to give them a piece of free game. Selector them when I watch her, who have them friend and selector, I tell them a free game. A good selector works in a symbiote. Works in a symbiote. That is two independent organisms working together to make one common goal. They work in a symbiote, or they work through symbiosis. Two individual we are work the way me work. Me, I'm a shooter. Somebody say let's talk in more music. Don't come to the party with my book for. Simple. When I miss you. Don't come to the party with my book for. You don't have to come. You tell your friend them say don't book me. Them don't have to book me either. Simple as that. So when you and the person who are working are supposed to work in synergy, are supposed to work synergistically, that is two persons working together to achieve one goal, are working together to complement each other to get one end result. So that is how you work as a selector, as a team. So I am the MC, and I have the shooter. You understand? The shooter's job is to provide the musical interludes. And my job is to provide the toasting, to give reference to the music in relations to individuals in the party. You have some selector, some toaster we talk, and them just talk random thing. Them just have a script where every party them go them talk the same thing. And when them talk the same thing, because them have a script, them have to go through that talking there, and it might seem tedious, monotonous, or them chat too much. The truth is, I talk way more than the average selector. However, anything that I talk is poignant. Poignance is when you talk something that is point related, or point reference, or point referred, or referential to points. That is how I speak. That is how I talk. That is how I chat a party. So if I see a girl over there, so, and she in our red dress, anything I say is what pertaining to her. Then I move and look up, this I talk to she. Then I talk to she. Then I talk to the brother over there, so then I talk to so every song and everything comes back together to form one continuous or one congruent storyline. Congruence when something leads into another thing to get to one end result. You understand me I say? So that is how you keep people engaged. So you ensure that the entire party is engaged in what it is that you're talking about. You understand? See? The entire party is engaged in what you're doing. And when you keep once you keep the engagement, the party can't boring. Simple. It's only funny. When you're at the event, it's not boring, but when you're not there, all of a sudden, the selector can't play. When you're at the event, the selector, the baddest selector in the world, nicest party me ever go. A long time, first time in my life, I go enjoy myself. So. But when you're not there, all of a sudden, the selector boring and can't play and chat too much. It's weird. It's a weird world we live in. You know? A very weird world we live in. Very, very weird world we live in, I tell you. Very, very weird world. I don't show shit, I just talk straight. I talk straight. Somebody said, my queen said, bro, you love controversy. If I never feel controversy, you wouldn't over your side watch me. If it was not for controversy, you would not be over here watching me. Somebody say, who say you did boring for true? K6767 say you did boring for true. Were you there, K? Were you there? Were you there? Anyways, people, we have work for us. Let me chat out the whole of my time. All I can do. You're in England. Oh, I forget, see, one of them is stuck over there and can't go nowhere because you don't have nothing in Jamaica. I say go. Jamaica nice here. You can go and read about it. Zin, as I say, you can't watch any mountain live where you want, you weren't there. If you weren't there, you can't get the experience. I come like when say when I say cartel show it boring and I live when I watch it pan, I never come to Jamaica. But everybody will go enjoy themselves. You understand me? I say? On a careless. And on someone other, you look on something with a negative eye. I say it I go. You see, work time now, when I work time now, I got barber split now, get no sleep. I got barber, you know, go get a line up, my nail tech. She not call me, so obviously she not ready yet. But I go see me can go and nail tech go start out my hand them, because I know say I have the pretty finger them rough, you know. Look more I go see what I go. Clean up on them something there. Zine, where are you booked for November? What if I place don't book for November, man? I not even know. I swear to God. As I say, I'm a road manager and just send me the things them for the week. You have access to my page, post the thing them in my store up and me I go. And we just go work. I don't know. I not chat to promoter. I not stop. I not chat to promoter. Me and promoter and a friend. I shoot me and a promoter and a friend. Me and promoter and a friend. Me and a chopper and a friend. You book me for entertain, I entertain. Nobody watch me I wear ya so. So me I wear there. That me I wear around there so. 40s for life. Nobody watch me I wear right here so. Watch me I wear around there so. That me I wear around there so. Zane. Nobody watch your green and black. You understand? No, I'm not go Swiss, unfortunately. I'm not go Swiss Sleep party tonight because I have two events. I have an event, private event. And then we have Mecca night again. If I was so bad, why the people them keep booking me? But I represent CU. I'm telling you, I say accident, I left out of my yard in a green and black shoe. Somebody see you at chug it, we are going to chug it, man. We there chug it nine. When I chug it again, the 20th, Zane, with the Valiant show tomorrow night. A Senton, where they out on a boat ride, on a yacht cruise tomorrow. Out Port Royal tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock, the boat has set sail out of Port Royal. You understand? Sunday, I don't remember what they are on brunch Sunday, but you know Jamaica brunch all your thing. They are on brunch Sunday. You see? But when I don't know the thing set, man, work has to go on. You see? Work has to go on. You see? How do you maintain your energy to execute? That's why you see every night we got muscle bone, go kill out ourselves and run up and down and go up on the hill and them something there. So even though we're big, Queen N, tell a friend them don't book me. Tell a promoter them what you know, don't book me. Simply if me chat out party. And when you see me at one party, tell the people them say nah go. When I need no mads man, alright, let me tell you something. You don't need to in our echo chamber. You don't need to in our echo chamber. Booking in for those DM, send a DM and my road will answer. Send a DM to the page. You chat too much, man. Brianna, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, if you did have a man tonight, a Friday night, if you did have a man, or if you did have somebody who want you, Brianna, at this point in time, you wouldn't over your spew negativity. If you did have a man on a Friday night, you would have been happy and contented and type something positive. Or you would have in the process of put yourself together to go to your man. But because you're a miserable old wench, you're over here and try to spew your negativity over here. So because you're unwanted. Because everybody where you ruffle your vagina to does not stay with you. And it's not my fault that. So please do not take the lack of worth of your underneath out on me. Please, me I beg you. Please. Not because your underneath, your vaginal passages have no word. Not because your labia minora is longer than your labia majora. Don't take it out from me. Don't take it out from me, auntie. No, I'm not going in a corruption, auntie. I'm not going into that. I'm not going in a corruption. I'm gonna mix up in a negativity. Positive will stay all the while, man. You understand? Positive will stay all the while, man. You stay positive, hold your head up, man, and just enjoy yourself. Whole life. Tongue long. 40 foot. Beach towel. Zin? Only if you understand, you know, this is how I like about you know. When you come over here, so come fast with people, when you vex when people clap back. Why don't you do it? Blood clot. When you come over here, come fast with people, and then when you vex when people clap back off on you. Look over there, saying we are reason good and we are educate the people and I show the people them little vibes. And I show the people them energy. I show the people them certain and that I broke down certain and certain things to explain people so we can educate them. See? The mouth have to clap because the bubble gum dry now. I'll be a spitter come down and I chat and I'll be a spitter fly because the bubble gum suck out. All I'm going to go for your next bubble gum. Let me tell you, so life easy. Life is sitting easy. Big no sweet. I say, you know, I'm telling you, the whole of we can a little bit. The whole of we can a little bit. Zin? You wish. 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 Yo, I just saw them thing. Let me tell you what, everybody not gonna like you. Everybody not gonna like you. My brother. Everybody not gonna like you. Everybody not gonna rate you. I say it go. You see it? Somebody say, oh yes, sir. Somebody say, Akeem, wow, Jesus Christ. You have a waist trainer? No, we don't have a waist trainer. We don't have a waist trainer. We have a marina. We have a waist trainer. Man, you know, man no wear waist trainer. Well, man wear waist trainer still. No fret, man. In time a piece of food make, I must have broke and hungry now. But just make God design a body. And when I can't call me triple X again, I have to call me triple luxury doll. When I have to call me triple luxury doll. When I have to call me triple luxury doll. See? That's the thing there. Wait, man. Wait. You see? At the end of the day, people. At night. You understand? Them say, you're shape like. When I call about the name, somebody say pig. Yes, me like pork. Why else? Somebody say, you're flap. The man party, I saw it go. Some things have a flap. Crab back triple X. No. No. Crab belly. Not crab back. Why would I carry crabs on my back? Say crab belly triple X. You understand? Get the part of my anatomy right. Your nose bore. Yes. You see? I can't stop nobody from going away. A very big back. Horizontally globular. You see? Fish. Parrot. My favorite fish that. I really like wenchman and snapper. You see? Margot. You flap the party. Oh, as a long time big man. Oh, you know Margot. Me look on your DP. He's a long time big man. Oh, you know when party flap. The last time you got one party, them time the Bob Marley still a get Rita Marley bun. Oh, you know we are going on a party nowadays. As a long time big man. The last time you got party, them time the Toots and the Metal still a look stupid if you go vice them first song. How what you know about party? I come talk about the party did flap. Huh? Eh? Man, go come on, man. Come on, man, auntie, man. Right then you're supposed to think about your retirement plan. You have the money in a Sagicor? You need to get one Sagicor life, probably. Go, see if you can go down a COK or church's corporate union, go join Caan Mutual. You can put in $5,000 a month if you get to a retirement plan. We're at thinking $5,000 a month, plus you get what? 7.5 million? Come on, man. Sort out something for yourself, man. At this point in time, you have focus on young people business about party. Flap your business about party. Eh? You even know who you're married on? Eh? Come on, focus, man. Get a little starter package, man. A little starter plan, man. 5,000 and I do nothing for you, man. I do nothing for you, man. Start out a thing, man. The day I saw work about this, man. Came on, you talk. Came on, you the day of the party? Hmm? Margo, me I look again for? What the ras me I look again for? First of all, I first dopey me if I look pan and see. Without rice water wash my face. Eh? And one of them things, man. You win some, you lose some. You can't always entertain. And you can't entertain everybody. I just say go. See? Say go, man. Him can't go back. Can't go back where? Where I can't go back? Where I can't go back, Margo? Talk we can fast where I can't go back now. Because Margo, you may attack you know. Where I can't go back? Margo, come man, talk man. You know, me know where. Talk man. Don't hide it now. You've been talking big and bold the whole time. Talk up and I can't go back. Oh, that you say for a long time, man. That you say for a long time, man. USA. We part of USA, I can't go back. We part of USA, I can't go back. Who I go tell them? Who on the live I go tell them? Who on the live I go tell them? They say I can't go back to USA. Who on the live I go tell them? Hmm? Who on the live I go tell them? Who on the live I go tell them? My name is Bolgum, because my birth think. Where Walmart? I'm a place that man. Walmart, I'm a place that man. I'm a place. I'm a place. The shorts some I have and this some white. The shorts yeah. Walmart, them socks yeah. Them socks I have on. Walmart, them buy too. Them undershirt yeah. Walmart, me get them. I don't want to tell you whether I buy them or not still, but Walmart, me get them too, man. The underpants, I see the underpants. No, I know Walmart, the underpants I come from. Eh. Why else? Why else? No, because I tell you, my life is a open book, you know. Nothing about me in a silence and nothing I'm in a shame, you know. When I say I want to fake, you know. I want to put on an image for nobody else, you know. It's either they like me or don't like me. And years them a try to cancel me. Years them a try to cancel me all now. And we still a work, we still a earn. We family alright and everybody run we good. Everybody run we good. Hello. Now go start with green a little bit more. Election time done now so we can set and run up and down. In a green now. You understand? Rasclat. People have to go. My woman come and say must come out for the life. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Remember say me under panty government. Yeah. Anything what the woman say that me I go do, she say me must come out for the life and allow this argument yeah, and call me pitney. So I am going to come off of the life. Yes. No man, election done now. Election done. So we can wear green. Pick up on yourself. Have a wonderful night.